This is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, when I'm going to show you how you can update your iPhone 16, 16 Pro Max, 15 or 17 to the latest version of beta, that is iOS 26.2. Yesterday, Apple has released the final version of 26.1, but today they comes with a new one, new beta for the tester, the testing iOS 26.2 with many new changes. In these, I'm going to show you how I can install. So without any further ado, you have to go to setting option here. You can see, go inside setting. In setting, you have to go to general. In general, you have to go to software update. In software update, immediately you will see iOS 26.2 beta, 8.39 gigabytes of software. In this case, if you don't see this one, you have to hit here. You have to automatic install update. You have to click this button, and also the beta update should be on. If you don't see that, that means you don't have Apple developer account. In this case, you have to go to Safari and make an Apple developer account. So let's go to the Safari to make an Apple developer account. Type here Apple developers. Here, the first one you see iOS app developers, not that one, that is ads. Here, this one, Apple developers. Go inside. In developers, you have to connect with your Apple ID. You have to make an account with them, and it should be the same account of your phone. I click here, you see account option, click this one. You have to sign in with the same account, with your same Apple account, which one you are using in your phone. If you sign in with another account, it's not gonna work. So put your email address. You see the agreement, you can read if you want. Hit yes here, hit agree, customize experience and all that. Get started, skip and finish. I finish all the project. Later you can do an email and all the things. So this is Apple developer is activated. After checking all the things, you have to go back here. You have to do a backup, because if you want to revert and go back from this option, if you don't do backup, you'll have a problem. So go to here at the name of your Apple account. Inside there, you will see iCloud. iCloud normally gives you 5 gigabytes of backup option. If you have more than that data, then you have to purchase 1 terabyte, something as this. So here you see iCloud backup 2 days ago. Click this one. And I hit backup now. Hit continue. If you have only some important document data, 5 gigabytes is enough. But if you have a lot of photos and videos, it will take a lot of amount of data. And normally if you don't back up photo or video, 5 gigabytes will be enough. So you have to wait a little bit. Backup is done. Then we go back after doing all the backup and everything. Well, here one more important thing, check your battery. Battery should be full. If not, connect with a power source. If the phone is stopped in the middle of uploading, it would have a serious consequences. So after doing all the things, we come here, we hit update now. We have to put password. You see here agree and continue. In this case, I hit agree button. Hit agree in this case. You can see here 43 minutes remaining, depend on the internet. Meanwhile, you can go and grab some tea or coffee and I'll be back. Here we are after restarting. We are here to this menu here. So you have to slide up to unlock. We have to put our passcode. Software updated iOS 26.2. Lovely. I hit continue. We have to agree term and condition because this is a new version of iOS. I hit agree, continue. So something as a new OS, welcome. Here, get started button. Click this one. So lovely. Let's see, I listen, it has some new clock effect. So let's see, I tap this one and customize. Let's see, now you can see you can change the color of the clock. You customize more in this case. Lovely. You can see here how you can change the size, so you can customize as you want in this case. Lovely. And you can make more frosted, more glossy as you like. I like more glossy, more transparent. You see how beautiful the color I can put as this one. You see how transparent you can put. Wow, lovely. So this is one of the principal change you can see in this. We go here, display and brightness. Here in display brightness, you can put directly clear option or tinted. You see here how it's changing. This is clear option, more background clear as a glossy, and tinted is not that much transparent. You see clear option, if I put how it is, you see how clear. And now if I put tinted, so if we go here, slide down, tinted, less clear, you can see, although in naked eye is not so much visible. Obviously the more changes in my next video, I'm gonna show all that. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care, till then, bye bye.